Have you ever wondered if Vonage is a free service or if there's a cost associated with using it? Well, in this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Vonage and answer that burning question. Is Vonage paid? Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick look at what Vonage actually is. It's a cloud-based communication platform that offers a range of services, including VoIP, SMS, and video conferencing. So, whether you're a business owner looking to improve your team's communication or an individual seeking a more affordable phone plan, Vonage might be a solution for you. The main event. Is Vonage paid? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Vonage a free service? The short answer is no, Vonage is not free. However, it's important to note that the pricing structure can vary depending on your specific needs and the services you choose. Vonage's pricing model. Vonage typically uses a subscription-based model, meaning you'll need to pay a recurring fee to access its services. This fee can vary depending on factors such as number of users. The more people using Vonage, the higher the cost. Features. The specific features you need, such as call forwarding, voicemail, or video conferencing, will influence the pricing. Usage. Your overall usage, including the number of calls and texts, can also affect your monthly bill. Vonage's pricing plans. To give you a better idea of what you might expect to pay, let's take a look at some of Vonage's common pricing plans. Basic plans. These plans offer essential features like unlimited calling within the US and Canada, but may have limitations on international calling or other advanced features. Business plans. Designed for businesses, these plans often include additional features such as call recording, call center capabilities, and integration with other business applications. Custom plans. If you have unique requirements, Vonage may be able to create a custom plan tailored to your specific needs. Factors affecting pricing. In addition to the factors mentioned earlier, there are a few other things that can influence your Vonage bill. Add-ons. Vonage offers various add-ons, such as premium SMS or international calling packages, that can increase your monthly cost. Equipment. While Vonage provides a VoIP adapter, you may need to purchase additional equipment, such as a headset or a dedicated phone, which can add to your upfront costs. Taxes and fees. Depending on your location, you may be subject to taxes and fees that can increase your overall bill. Comparing Vonage to other options. Before you decide if Vonage is the right choice for you, it's a good idea to compare its pricing and features to other available options. There are many VoIP providers on the market, each with its own unique offerings and pricing structures. Consider factors such as cost. Compare the monthly fees and any upfront costs associated with different providers. Features. Evaluate the features offered by each provider and determine which ones are most important to you. Reliability. Research the reliability and customer service of different providers to ensure you'll have a positive experience. So, is Vonage paid? Yes, it is. However, the exact cost will depend on your specific needs and usage. By understanding Vonage's pricing model, comparing its offerings to other options, and carefully considering your own requirements, you can make an informed decision about whether Vonage is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.